Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. I am introducing the Nature's Symphony bundle. It is available beginning in January 2026. If you're a demonstrator, you already have access to it. These are the shapes the dies cut out, and then these are the stamps. So we've got the die that cuts out this one. We've got the die that cuts out this one. We've got this lovely kind of wood grain look here, and then we've got a scatter stamp here. These two don't necessarily cut each other out, but these go together. And we've got this beautiful set of leaves here. That's one of the dies, and we've got two really interesting dies on this one. They don't cut out a shape, they just cut out shapes within a solid piece. So if you wanted to add a little bit of detail to a corner in your card, you could do that one. It's almost like a little crosshatch one. And then there's this series of dots as well. Super interesting. I can't wait to actually use this set. I've made a super simple card just to start. A little bit of Berry Burst blending brush, Berry Burst first and second value of this stamp here. And then first and second value of the larger stamp, and then the smaller leaves here with the thank you from the set, and then a couple of the Charming Shimmer Faceted Gems. Now these are Petunia Pop, but they go quite well with the blending in here. So like I say, super simple card. We are going to make a card next using a lot more elements. We're just going to step this up a notch. So stay tuned. We're going to do that video right after this.